What's up, everyone? Mr. Jeff the Custodian. I'm going to do kind of a review on a product, Swiffer. I'm not sponsored by Swiffer. This is not a sponsored video with them or anything. I just wanted to share a tool with you that really makes dusting a whole lot easier, whether it be a Custodian or even around your house. I actually use these at my home. And you can pick these up at Walmart, Lowe's, different places like that where you buy cleaning supplies. And this box has already been opened, but it comes with the wand that you need. I'm not going to open that because I already have one open and I don't want to shake all that plastic. But anyway, how this works right here is that this one's already been used, and I'm going to change it. It slides right off really easy. Kind of looks like a fork there, don't it? I'm going to dispose of that one. And I'm going to give you all a little demonstration of some different things that I clean with these Swiffers. And they're kind of flat when you first get them out of the box. But there's two little slots right there that these little teeth fit in. And you kind of have to work with it just a little bit, slide them in there to make sure that it gets in there. And it kind of locks in place. It's not going to fold off. You just kind of fluff that thing up a little bit. And you can just dust away with this thing, so let's go dust a little bit. Before we do, I want to kind of show you before we get started that how clean this is, and we're going to show you how much dust this thing's going to pick up just in this one place that I'm working today. This is one of the most handiest places to use these bad boys. Between these rails and stuff on these stairwells, this thing is amazing. Getting in there, don't have to do all that handwork. Slide it right down. You know, on the other side, just let that bad boy just do his work. It's awesome. Let the tools do the work for you. Gotta highlight, just angle that thing where to fit in there and just clean it. No more ladders, no more bugs and lights. So this is the after of using the Swiffer Duster. I believe that's what it's called. Make sure I get this right. Yep, Swiffer Duster Heavy Duty. Sorry for the noise. But anyway, this is an amazing tool. The baseboards that they have in this building, they're wood, and they have that little lip on top, so they get a lot of dust on those, and those stairwells, over those doors and exit lights. And like I say, this thing works great at the house as well. I mean, for good quick dusting and everything, and these will last a good while. It depends on how bad your dusting is, but I just shake these things out and I reuse them until they get really matted and soiled, and I'll just change. I forgot some stuff when I started editing this video. I thought, man, I got to throw this in there because this is some really important things that this thing has, some features it has. There's a little button here you push on the side, and this thing extends so you reach a little more height. And what I like about this, it's got another little button, and this thing I just turn every direction that you can just really need to hit an angle on stuff. And real handy. It has little stopping places in that. Little clicks. So really good tool. I really like the Swiffer. So you need to get some Swiffers.